77 divided by 3. Here 3 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 3. 3 times 0 0, 3 times 1 3, 3 times 2 6, 3 times 3 9, 3 times 4 12, 3 times 5 15, 3 times 6 18. To find out the multiplication table of 3, just add 3 with the previous step. 0 plus 3 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 3 15, 15 plus 3 18, 18 plus 3 21. This process will continue. 3 goes into 7 how many times? 3 goes into 3 times 9, which is get us so 2 times. 2 times 3 is 6. Subtract 1, bring down another digit 17. 3 goes into 17 how many times? No, 6 times 18, which is so 5 times. 5 times 3 15. Subtract 2. So 25, remember 2 is your answer. But if you want to write your answer in decimal form, then take here decimal, add number of zeros. Bring down the first zero, but before the zero there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. 3 goes into 20 how many times? 6 times. 18. 7 times 20, which is get so 6 times. 6 times 3 18. Subtract 2. 3 goes into 20 how many times? Again 6 times. 6 times 3 18. Subtract 2. You can bring down more 0. 3 goes into 20 again 6 times. 6 times 3 18. Subtract 2. Now place here 3 dot. 25.666 dot 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 is our answer. You can place a bar over 6 to mean that the 6 is repeating. 25.6 bar is your answer.